Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is the Hair Guru Carla, and I'm back with another video. So this is one of my favorite clients. Some of y'all viewers, I know y'all have seen her a lot of times on my channel. Most of the times we go back and forth disagreeing on hairstyle because she want what she want, and sometimes I be thinking it's not age appropriate, but she gets what she wants most of the time. But today is her birthday and she's having a birthday dinner, and she's kind of quiet today. She says she's gonna just let me do something soft and elegant for her birthday dinner, and she's not gonna object. She's just gonna let me do what I want to do. So I'm gonna see how long that is gonna last, and I'm gonna proceed with this hairstyle. So if y'all want to see if we have any disagreements during the video, or if she object to anything that I did, y'all stay tuned into my channel. So this is the final look. She did not object to anything at all. I love it because it's soft, simple, messy. It's a pink curl ponytail, a messy pink curl ponytail. So I'm showing her how to maintain it at night by rolling that piece, and also I'm trying to see if she preferred that up instead of down like this is, but she chose down, so I'm gonna leave it down. She loved it. The only request she had was baby hairs, and I tell her all the time, not every hairstyle have to have baby hairs, but she loved it. It's her birthday. We're not gonna argue. At least I'm gonna give her something, some one of her requests. I'm gonna let her have it. So I did the little baby hairs, and here we go. Spray it with some hairspray, and then I'm gonna pin it up so that she can go to bed and undo it the next day for her birthday dinner. So I'm putting on the hairnet, and all she have to do is wear the satin bonnet, and she'll be fine. It'll last and it'll hold up. So y'all let me know what y'all think. All the products used on this channel is on my website at thehairgurucarla.net. And for booking, you can email thehairgurucarla@gmail.com. So if y'all like my video, y'all can give me a thumbs up. Y'all can leave y'all comment in the comment section. And thank y'all for watching my video. Until my next video, y'all stay safe and stay blessed.